gentlemen, thank you for joining me in this new edition of Haitian News. As you know, in this show, we also leave room for our brothers and sisters from the Caribbean here in the States as well as in their countries. So please, feel free to continue contacting us for any interesting social, political, or entertainment event happening in your respective communities. Today we will bring you news from the Turks and Caicos, the Haitian community in Miami, and Jamaica. From La Martinique, artist Eric Virgal will be in Miami soon to participate in an event organized by Family Giving Connections. We will also talk to the group dynamic for the survival of Haiti. From the Turks and Caicos, Haitian government officials were in the islands last week to meet with the island's governor and members of the Haitian community. From Jamaica, the Jamaican Ministry of National Security announced a new poll concerning human trafficking. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with more. I'm your host, Christalie.